Now let's read the end of our model personal narrative story. "Look at what you've done," Dad said, smiling brightly as he arrived home. "You two make me proud." That made my heart swell with happiness. I knew Mrs. Henshaw would be glad and surprised too. Caden and I agreed. Having a snow day is fun. It's great to play in the snow. But the best part of this day was helping others. How do you know their action helps? Dad was really excited when he came home. I'm sure that was a big relief that he, after a long day of work, did not have to shovel the snow. He said, "You two make me proud." And how do Caden and the narrator help make the world a better place? Well, they were thoughtful and thinking of their dad, thinking of their neighbor, and as much as they had fun on their snow day, they really decided that helping others, making a difference, being thoughtful to others around them really made it a really awesome day for them, even more so than just playing in the snow, but being able to do something productive and help someone else out really made them feel really special.